Hytech Didactic Electropneumatic Training Kit is mounted on a rigid mild steel structure. The training kit is equipped with PLC, HMI as well as relay-based operation modules. Control modules are made of industrial PCBs, making the kit easy to operate as well as maintain. Electropneumatic Training Kit comes with a dual-faced work surface made up of aluminium extrusions. Quick fix mechanisms for all valves and actuators makes it easier for users to engage and disengage the valves from training kit. Quick fix mechanism makes it easy for users to store valves in drawers provided along with training kit. Solenoid valves as well as cylinders are provided with PCBs for electrical connections. Control module is mounted at the top of a training kit. User can have a control module of PLC and relays on both sides of the training kit, which makes it truly a double-sided training kit. Electropneumatic Training Kit can be seamlessly integrated with industrial automation modules such as Colour Based Sorting Conveyor.